Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to watch Hulu on Disney Plus quickly and easily. First, make sure you have a Disney Plus bundle that includes Hulu, as a separate subscription won't work. Now, open the Disney Plus app or website and log in to your account. Next, go to your account settings and check if Hulu is linked under your subscription bundle. If it's not linked, follow the on-screen instructions to activate Hulu using the same login credentials. Once activated, you can either open Hulu directly through the link in Disney Plus or download the Hulu app on your device and sign in with your Disney Plus credentials. After logging in, browse or search for any Hulu content you want to watch. Finally, start streaming. And now you can enjoy Hulu shows and movies seamlessly through your Disney Plus bundle without any extra steps. Subscribe the channel for more videos.